Hey Facebook, it's Priest in Charge here, Alex Dyer, here at the construction site for St. Thomas Parish. As you'll see, since our last update, a lot of stuff's been going on, so I kind of wanted to give people an update on what is going on. So let's start and look at what I guess was the park. If we can flip it over, we can see a lot of things have changed. This is what used to be the park. It's being cleared out. And the next couple of weeks, there's going to be a very, very, very big hole here. But you can get a sense of your bearings. There's the parish hall with ruins. What's left of the ruins, not much. And a very big pile of dirt. I think that's a technical term there. You can see this has all been cleared out though. There's 18th Street. And there's been a lot of work kind of going on. So, let's take a look inside and see what's going on inside. This will be a surprise to me as I have not been in here for a very long time. It's been a week or two at least. So I'm excited to see what new work that's been going on here. So you can see a lot, we're all the way down to the bare bones of the parish hall. That wall is now gone. You see all the way back through here. See, that's the alleyway back there. What used to be the godly playroom, the kitchen, all of that is now gone. So, let's take a look upstairs and see what's going on upstairs. So we ascend up the stairs, what used to lead us to what used to be our worship space. You can see all the windows back there have been taken down. Here is completely gone. You know, this used to lead up to the sacristy back here, and now it is all completely gone. That's what used to be the parish office, all down there. Now, just a pile of rubble. Lots of demolition work going on. So you can see up here, down to the stream, it's been braced right here on this wall. Lots of good stuff going all the way down over there. So as you can see, there's been a few updates. We continue to progress here at St. Thomas's Parish. Things are moving fast. We hope that they continue to move fast, and one day we will be on our new site, which will be our original site at the 18th and Church, back to the corner. This all space here, the parish hall, will all be turned into apartments, as well as part of the park. Exciting project, exciting times, lots of stuff going on as we about to begin Holy Week. So not only is stuff going on in the church here, but also in the construction site. Anyway, I hope this is a good update, and I hope that you can walk by the site and see for yourself. If you can't, continue to stay tuned on Facebook. Take care.